Number 1. 1972 Chevrolet Impala Coupe, $3,800, Bend, Oregon. This two-door 1972 Chevrolet Impala is powered by a 350 cubic inch V8 paired with an automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive. It shows 160,000 miles and does run and drive, though the seller recommends towing it home. The title is clean and in hand. Described as a very original high-desert car, the frame, trunk, and floors are solid with some rust present. It will need tires, registration tags, window seals, brakes, and interior attention. The good news is that some new parts have already been installed. Overall, this is a solid and affordable full-size classic project. Number 2. 1977 Chevrolet Nova Sedan, $3,500, Barstow, California. This 1977 Chevrolet Nova Sedan comes with a 6-cylinder engine and automatic transmission, showing 106,000 miles. It runs and drives well and carries a clean, clear title. It is currently registered as non-operational. The engine bay features plenty of chrome, giving it a sharp look under the hood. Sold as is for cash, this rear-wheel drive Nova is a simple, dependable late 1970s American compact offered at an affordable price in Barstow, California. Number 3. 1977 Chevrolet Monte Carlo, $3,800, Lynnwood, Washington. Powered by a 305 cubic inch V8 and automatic transmission, this 1977 Chevrolet Monte Carlo shows 132,000 miles and is described as a reliable daily driver. It runs strong and has a clean title. Finished in blue with a clean interior, it rides on nice tires and shows only surface rust. Minor issues include a small dent on the passenger fender, a cracked windshield, and a missing hood bracket. A solid personal luxury coupe located in Lynnwood, Washington. Number 4. 1989 Jeep Comanche 4x4, $3,950, Burlington, Washington. This 1989 Jeep Comanche pickup is equipped with the legendary 4.0-liter inline 6-cylinder engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission and 4-wheel drive. It starts and runs well with a good clutch and solid driveline. It is set up for towing behind a motorhome and includes a tow bar. A durable and capable compact pickup with a clean title, offered in Burlington, Washington. Number 5. 1980 Datsun 200SX, $2,500, Patterson, California. This rear-wheel drive 1980 Datsun 200SX shows 90,000 miles and comes equipped with an automatic transmission, leather interior, and sunroof. It carries a clean title and is finished in red. Delivery is available, and the seller even accepts cryptocurrency. An affordable and sporty Japanese classic located in Patterson, California. Number 6. 1983 Chevrolet Silverado C20 4-ton pickup, $8,900 Shoreline, Washington. This 1983 Chevrolet Silverado C20 is powered by a 5.7-liter 350 cubic inch V8 with a 4-barrel carburetor and turbo 400 automatic transmission. The odometer reads 52,132 miles and has rolled over, with the engine professionally rebuilt at 119,550 miles. It comes well equipped with power steering, power brakes, cruise control, air conditioning, dual fuel tanks, dual exhaust, heavy-duty radiator, towing package, chrome bumpers, and a canopy with a boat rack. The body is straight with good paint, and the bench seat looks nearly new. A strong and well-optioned classic truck in Shoreline, Washington. Number 7, 1963 Oldsmobile F85 convertible, $8,500, Oregon City, Oregon. This 1963 Oldsmobile F85 convertible features a factory 4-speed manual transmission backed by a 215 cubic inch V8. It shows 75,000 miles and has been stored indoors since 1972. The body panels are solid, with rust limited to the rear trunk floor. The engine turns freely after being properly oiled. It will need a new convertible top and seat upholstery. A rare and desirable early 1960s drop-top project located in Oregon City, Oregon. Number 8, 1962 Supercharged Studebaker Hawk Gran Turismo, $9,500, Carlsbad, California. This 1962 Studebaker Hawk Gran Turismo Coupe is powered by a 289 cubic inch V8 with a McCulloch supercharger and 4-speed manual transmission. It shows 100,000 miles and runs and drives great. A solid high desert car with zero rust, mostly original interior and extra Studebaker parts included. The red paint is faded and mismatched in some areas. A rare supercharged performance classic located in Carlsbad, California. Number 9, 1950 Willys Jeepster convertible, $9,500, Beaverton, Oregon. This 1950 Willys Jeepster is powered by a 283 cubic inch Chevrolet V8 paired with an automatic transmission. The odometer reads 94,198 miles. Recent work includes new fuel system components, ignition parts, and brake components. It runs smooth and shifts well, but will need additional work before regular use. The body is straight, with minor rust at the floor and firewall corners. A family-owned classic for 23 years, located in Beaverton, Oregon. Number 10, 1953 Buick Super V8, $13,000, Hermosa Beach, California. This 1953 Buick Super Sedan is powered by a 322 cubic inch V8 and automatic transmission. The odometer shows 92,310 miles, though total mileage cannot be confirmed. It was purchased in 2005 from the original owner's estate. Currently driven regularly, nearly all features are operational. The body is straight and was treated to a custom paint job in 2010. A well-maintained early 1950s American luxury sedan offered in Hermosa Beach, California. Number 11. 1979 Pontiac Trans Am and 1969 Pontiac Firebird, $19,000, Temecula, California. This sale includes two Pontiac classics. The 1979 Pontiac Trans Am retains its original 6.6-liter V8 with matching numbers and a turbo-hydromatic automatic transmission. It features power steering, power front disc brakes, working air conditioning, electric gauges, original white paint, black interior, and original California plates. It runs and drives great with a clean title. The 1969 Pontiac Firebird keeps its original 350 cubic inch engine and automatic transmission with approximately 7,000 miles on the rebuilt engine. It also has power steering and power front disc brakes, along with a clean title. Two strong Pontiac muscle era icons offered together in Temecula, California.